This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Headlight bulbs renewal. Pull the bonnet release lever located in the driver's footwell. Release the bonnet secondary catch and raise the bonnet. Unclip the bonnet prop and engage the prop to hold the bonnet open. To improve access to the right-hand headlight unit when viewed from the driver's seat, the air intake pipe can be unclipped and removed. Rotate the plastic cover anti-clockwise and remove it from the rear of the headlight unit. Disconnect the wiring plug from the rear of the bulb, then push in on the right side of the headlamp bulb spring retainer and push the retainer up and away from the bulb. Remove the bulb from the headlight unit, shown here on the bench for clarity. Before fitting the new bulb, note its correct orientation. Place the new bulb in the light unit, engaging the tab on the bulb base with the cutout in the bulb holder. Bring the spring retainer down and engage the retainer leg with the hook on the bulb holder. Reconnect the wiring plug, then refit the plastic cover to the rear of the headlight unit. If applicable, refit the air intake pipe that was removed for access. Remove the bonnet prop from the bonnet and secure the prop in its stay. Close the bonnet.